इस चैनल पे मैं जो भी पोस्ट करती हूँ वो मैं पहले यूज़ करती हूँ एंड देन आई शेयर इट विथ यू पीपल.
And the last sunscreen of the day is the stick sunscreen that I bought last year, and I have not used it. And I have not used it like 3 or 4 times.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब,
क्योंकि इस चैनल पे आपको मिलेगा मिनी हॉल्स, अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस, प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज, अफोर्डेबल फाइंड्स एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज एंड फाइंड्स फॉर पीपल विद कॉम्बिनेशन एक्ने प्रोन स्किन टाइप कॉज आई एम वन ऑफ देम.
आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 5 सनस्क्रीन के बारे में जो अभी मेरे पास करेंटली अवेलेबल है.
इस वीडियो में मैं ये बताऊंगी कि ये सनस्क्रीन हमारी स्किन पे कैसे फील करते हैं, इफ दे आर स्टिकी, इफ दे आर स्वेट रेजिस्टेंट, if they leave any white cast, if they are worth your money, and most importantly if they are good for our combination acne prone skin.
So the first product of the day that I'm going to talk about is the sunscreen that I'm currently using on daily basis in my skincare routine.
इस सनस्क्रीन से पहले मैं यूज कर रही थी एक दूसरा सनस्क्रीन जिसके मैंने 3-4 ट्यूब यूज कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. इट्स अ सिलिका सनस्क्रीन जो मेरे डर्मेट ने मुझे रिकमेंड किया था व्हेन आई हैड दैट एक्ने ब्रेकआउट, एंड वो सनस्क्रीन जो वो मुझे काफी सूट करता था. बट जस्ट फॉर अ चेंज द सनस्क्रीन दैट आई एम करंटली यूजिंग, ये भी मार्केट में बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर था, सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस. बट that one recommended by my dermat was also good.
And the one that I'm currently using is from the brand you all must have heard, Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 4 plus sunscreen. It retails around some 1200 something for this 50 ml tube, and its texture is very lightweight. Let me show you. This is how this looks, and let me show you how it feels on the skin. ये बहुत ही लाइट वेट है और ये एकदम पानी जैसा फील होता है स्किन पे.
If I put it like this in seconds, ये ऐसे ब्लेंड हो जाएगा और लगाने के बाद कोई वाइट कास्ट नहीं और ये फील भी नहीं होता स्किन पे कि मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगा रखी है. So this sunscreen is
good. Sorry. So this sunscreen is good if you are okay in spending around 1200 to 1300 for a 50 ml of sunscreen tube. So then
this one is a good investment, or else there are a lot of options in the market that you can go for. This is my first tube, so I just bought it for testing purpose. It's not like I will continue using this. I am currently using this, and if my mind changes, I will look for some other alternative which is a little cheaper.
The second sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is also very viral in the market right now. और ये मैंने खुद से नहीं खरीदा, ये मेरी दीदी ने मुझे दिया था. And it's from an Indian brand, Wish Care. You all must have heard the name. और ये है उनका अभी newly launched Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen, which is light and matte, and it also has SPF 50 plus. It comes with PA plus 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 broad spectrum. It claims to balance oil and protects the skin. It has a very watery texture. Let me show it to you people. How does this feel and look on my skin? It retails for around 300 something. So
I will take very little amount. See, it literally is water. And if I blend it, it also blends very easily and it doesn't leave any white cast on your face. And
adds a little bit of shine to your face, and it doesn't feel oily at all. It's very blendable. It's good as per the price, so I think this one is good, and also it suits my skin type as well. तो तीसरी सनस्क्रीन जो मैं भी आप लोगों को शो करने वाली हूँ, ये सनस्क्रीन भी एक इंडियन ब्रांड से ही है.
और 2023 में मैंने इस ब्रांड के कम से कम 1 डजन सनस्क्रीन मंगाए होंगे सेम वेरिएंट के, और उसमें का ये लास्ट ट्यूब है मेरे पास. और मेरे डर्मेट को विजिट करने से पहले आई वाज यूजिंग दिस सनस्क्रीन ओनली रिलीजियसली ऑल ओवर माय फेस, नेक एंड एवरीवेयर, एंड आई हैव रिकमेंडेड दिस टू माय मदर, माय सिस्टर्स, माय ब्रदर-इन-लॉ, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू यूज दिस सनस्क्रीन एट वन पॉइंट.
Sunscreen that I'm talking about is from the brand Aqualogica. You all must have heard about it as well, and it's their Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen, papaya and vitamin C. It claims to brighten and hydrate your skin. It also has SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus. It gives you UVA and UVB protection. Also, it gives you blue light protection.
So if you're indoors and you are working on your system, if you're doing work from home just like me, then you should use this, and it will provide you the blue light protection from your screen and phone screen, from your laptop screen and from your phone screen. And this one retails for $5.99 for a
80 gram tube, and I usually buy it in their buy one get one sale. So this one is a good deal. And let me show you how does this look and how does this feel.
I don't use this on my face anymore. As I told you, I have bought dozen of it. So this is the last tube, and I use it on my neck, because along with my face, my neck also needs the SPF. So this is how it feels. It's also very lightweight, blends really fast, and leaves no white cast. So this one is also good. You can invest in this one. I guess their range, they have launched a lot of other products and other sunscreen in this range. They have launched their tinted sunscreen, that glowy moisturizers and all. So you can invest in this one. This one is also good. The second last sunscreen that I'm going to review today is the sunscreen जो कि मैं कभी-कभी यूज करती हूँ जब मुझे कभी कहीं बाहर जाना हो और मुझे वो फेस पे मेकअप एंड ऑल करने का मन ना हो. Then I use this sunscreen called, it's a tinted one, and this is my first tinted sunscreen. इससे पहले मैंने कभी भी कोई भी tinted sunscreen नहीं यूज किया, but I want to use that Dot & Key का tinted sunscreen cooling range वाला. Once I will purchase it, I will review that as well.
So the sunscreen that I'm talking about is from the brand The Derma Co. It has SPF 60 and it has PA plus 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 plus, again 4 plus. It's their 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen gel for broad spectrum protection. It has zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, hyaluronic acid. It has a quick absorbing formula, and it's fragrance free. तो ये सनस्क्रीन का मैंने छोटा वाला ट्यूब मंगाया था. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज हाउ दिस लुक्स एंड this one is pretty good. It
gives you a very slight coverage, and I guess this one is worth investing your money in. See, not much of a difference visible right now, but this one makes a difference.
now coming to the last sunscreen of the day, which is also again from an Indian brand, but this one is a stick sunscreen,
which was very viral in summer 2024 I guess. So I bought this sunscreen last year only, और ये Dot & Key brand से है.
It's a strawberry dew sunscreen stick on the go. It also has SPF 50, PA++++, and it comes in a packaging of 20 gram. This is how the product looks, and it retails for $5.95. I also got this in this B1 G1 sale, and it has a shelf life of
4 years I guess. Yes, 4 years or 2 years, no idea, maybe 2 years. And this is how this looks. It has this ऊपर का पैकेजिंग ऐसे रखो. ये मैंने पिछले साल लिया है, लेकिन मैंने इसे 2 या 3 बार बस यूज़ किया क्योंकि I don't like how it feels on my skin. This is how this looks. You have this one, you have to twist it और ये ऐसे बाहर आएगा. It has this pink color. थोड़ा लाइफ बॉय साबुन जैसा दिख रहा है. And you have to do this and this. I don't know if you are able to see the difference, but it feels kind of waxy on my face. मैंने इसे 2-3 बार यूज़ किया है और घर में भी यूज़ किया, बाहर भी यूज़ किया, पर इसको लगाने के बाद एज आई मेंशन कि आई डोंट फील वेरी गुड ऑन डजंट फील वेरी गुड ऑन माय फेस. सो जैसे भी मैं इसे लगा के बैठी हूँ तो आफ्टर सम टाइम, कुछ समय के बाद ना ये ऐसे फेस पे ऐसे पसीना सा हो जाता है, पूरा फेस एकदम पसीना हो जाता है और उसको लगता है कि ऐसे किसी ने पानी के छींटे मार दिए हैं. तो आई डोंट लाइक दिस वन. आई डोंट फील गुड whenever I apply it. So this one is not for me. I'm not sure if you guys have used this and what are your experiences. So
that's it for today's video. The products that I covered in today's videos were from Beauty of Joseon, this one, my go-to sunscreen from past 1.5 months, and this gives no irritation, safe for acne prone skin. So this one is a thumbs up from my side. The second one is from Wishcare. It is light on your pocket, it doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, and it also is acne prone skin friendly. So this one is also a thumbs up from me. And this Ecologica, I have mixed feelings about it because I used to use it, but I don't use it on my face anymore, but my mother does and her skin loves it. So this one is like up to you. If you want to invest in it, you can, or else you can skip. And the fourth one is SPF 60, this Dermaco product. You can definitely invest in it if you have sensitive acne prone skin and you want some tinted sunscreen. Go. And the last sunscreen, this one, I'm not sure what to say about this, so it's up to you guys. So that's it for today's video. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. It really motivates me to create helpful content for you all. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर and don't forget, life is beautiful, so are you.